Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to find the center of rotation for the given question, and this question is from 0580 winter session 4-2 paper 2025, question number 8b. It is question 8. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Now we have, for describing this transformation, we need to know first of all what kind of transformation it is. So when you see shape A and shape B, when the orientation has changed, okay, so it is rotation. It cannot be reflection, it is rotation, because reflection, if you see, you have to, it should be flipped. Reflection cannot be like this. So when it is rotation, you have to find the center of rotation. So I am only showing how to find out center of rotation in this video. So for this you have to join the corresponding vertices. So this vertex I'll join to this. Take the straight line and then join. So I have joined two vertices, two corresponding vertices. Now take your compass, put it over this line and extend your compass more than half, and then draw two arcs. That means now you are drawing the perpendicular bisector for this line, perpendicular bisector. Okay, then keep it on one end and draw two arcs. Then at the other end you take the compass and cut those arcs. You get 2 points. Now use your ruler to join these points. So this is the perpendicular bisector for the given line. That means the line which you drew from this vertex to this vertex. Now next, draw another, join another pair of corresponding vertices. So let me join them. I'll join these two vertices, this pink line, joining these two vertices. You got another line. Now take your compass, do the same thing. So I have drawn one more, join the corresponding vertices, and I have drawn the perpendicular bisector. So this is that perpendicular bisector, this one, and this is another one, and you see that they both are meeting at this point. So this point is, you can see the point there, this point is -2 and 6. So -2, 6 is the not -6, it's just 6. -2 and 6 is the center of rotation here.